Hi friends, so today I would like to show you how to find the square root of any number, easily. Okay, it's a very useful trick, and it's not that hard to understand at all. It's a very simple trick to understand. So let's start. Okay, so first of all, in order to find the square root of a particular number, we will have to learn, we'll have to remember the unit digits of all squares. Okay, of all squares from 1 to 10. Okay, so first of all we will have to learn this unit digits, just a unit digit of all the squares from 1 to 10. Okay, so it's very simple task to do. It's not that hard to remember at all. So we know that the square root of 1 is 1, so unit digit of the square of 1 is 1. Similarly, the square root of 2 is 4, so unit digit will be 4. The square root of 3 is 9, so the unit digit of the square of 3, that is 9, is 9 itself. Similarly, the unit digit of the square of 4 is 6, because 4 square is 16, so the unit digit will be 6. Similarly, for 5 square is 25, so unit digit is 5. 6 square is 36, unit digit is 6. 7 square is 49, the unit digit is 9. Similarly, 8 square is 64, so unit digit is 4. And 9 square is 81, so unit digit is 1. And finally 10 square is 100, so the unit digit is 0. Okay, so now let us take one particular example for finding the square root of of a given number. Okay, so let us take a number. Okay, so I have taken 2025 as a number. We will have to find out the square root of this number 2025. Okay, first of all, divide the first two digits into one pair, and the second two the last two digits into another pair. Okay, so first of all, check that the last, you can see that the unit digit of this number is 5, right? Unit digit of this number is 5. As we know that the unit digit of 5 square is how much? The square of 5 square is 25, so the unit digit of 5 square is 5, right? That means that the square root of this number, the unit digit of the square root of this number, will end with 5. Okay, this much we have got, right? So since we know that 5 square is 25, there is only one number, which is 5. When we square it, we get 25. The unit digit is 5, so that means the unit digit of the square root of this number will be 5. Okay, this much we have understood. Now when we check the first two digits, which is 20, right? 20, so it's 20. We know that it lies between 4 square 4 square and 4 square and 5 square, right? So 20 lies between 4 square and 5 square, right? But we know that 5 square is 25, so it's greater than 20, and 4 square is 16, so that means the 10th digit, the 10th, I mean the 10th digit, not the 10th, I mean the 10th digit of this particular, of the square root of this particular number, will be either 4 or 5, right? Either 4 or 5. But since we can see that when we find the square of 5, which is 5 square, we get 25. But here the first two digits of this number is 20, so which means the 10th digit of the square root of this particular number will be 4, not 5, right? So now that we have got the 10th digit and the unit digit as 5, that means the square root of this number, we have got the unit digit of this number as 5, right? And we have got the 10th digit of 2025 as of the square root of 2025 as 4. Okay, we have got the unit digit of the square root of 2025 as 5, and we have got the unit digit sorry, the 10th digit of 2025 as 4. So this means that the square root of 2025 is 45. So it's a very simple trick. You don't have to do the normal calculation in order to find the square root of this number. You can just use this trick, okay, to find the square root. Hope you guys have understood this simple formula, simple trick, and it will help you in finding the square root of any given number. So thank you very much for watching this video. Bye.